Welcome to Picsart 101. Today, it's all about how to make awesome photo collages. Picsart's Photo Collage Maker lets you decide what kind of collage you want to make. You can use grids, frames, or go freestyle if you're feeling more experimental. Pick one of our grids for an easy start. You can choose up to 10 photos to make a collage. While you're in the grid, you can tap on the photo to replace it or drag it to swap it with a different box. You can also edit your photos directly from the Collage Maker with the tools on the bottom. I'm gonna apply a cool filter to my photo. You can change the size of the ratio, so if you need an Instagram story, we got you. We have so many sizes to choose from. You can adjust the borders of each box with the thickness by dragging the slider. You can also round up the edges of your photo with radius. And if you want to adjust the border of the whole collage, you can use the border option. You can also do no borders at all. Change the background colors or maybe add a cool photo to your graphic. For the freestyle option, you can choose to make a virtual mood board, which is basically a mishmash of all the things you love. Or you can create a funny meme. Move your photos up and down, twist them, turn them, do whatever looks good to your unique eye. To spice up your designs, you have access to Picsart's awesome free-to-edit stickers and images. Don't just let them sitting around there. Use them on your photos to make them look even cooler and cuter.